Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to Quick Hit Slots with Facebook. To log into Quick Hit Slots using your Facebook account, first of all, launch the Quick Hit Slots app on your device and it will take you to this login page. To sign in with Facebook, tap on Continue with Facebook option. Click on the Continue button in the pop-up and make sure that you enter your Facebook account's credential when prompted. After typing down your Facebook's credential, tap on Continue as your Facebook. And then after you do that, once you have the credentials correct, you will then be able to sign in with your Facebook account. So that is how you easily log in to Quick Hit Slots with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.